Okay, dear students, in the last class we have finished question number 5, problem number 5 in exercise 1.3. Now 1.6, 1.3 exercise, 6 question and all we have to finish. But before going to 6th question, let us recap some concept, invertible function concept. Invertible function concept, simple concept we have seen. One should be there, on2 should be there, like, okay. But now earlier, before that we were not having this FOG and GOF functions. Now GOF function, FOG function also have studied. That is why now for invertible function, if any say equation type function has come, then we can see invertible function with FOG GOF also, and directly we can write inverse also for that function. Okay, how and all we will see. Before that, first what we have done earlier for simple invertible function, like that we will see. Okay, see, earlier we were doing like this. Say if f is, say 1 2 3 4, if that is the function earlier, then how we were writing f inverse? F inverse we were writing 2 1 4 3. Okay, this is inverse function. F inverse we know like that. See here, this is very simple. Rather we can say like roster form type. But if it comes equation, how to do and all, let us see. Earlier with the equation also, before coming FOG GOF, simple type we have done. Same type only, little bit extended portion we will do. But how we have done earlier also we will see. Earlier how we have done, earlier say f of x is equal to y plus x plus 1. This was one equation, a simple equation. Okay, how we were doing this, we will take as y is equal to x plus 1, because fx is equal to y. See, f of x is equal to y, or f is equal to f of x. F is equal to y, that is equal to f of x. This you have to keep in your mind. Why? Because even if you write simply f also, but you have to tell that is function f. F is a function. F of x means you need not tell function, then that is a function. Y also you have to tell function. Why? Because y may be equation or a function. Okay, now come here. Y is equal to x plus 1, we will write first. Then what we will do, we will take x is equal to y minus 1. Okay, now you see here what is going to happen. Earlier what we were doing, this x we were submitting here, f of this x y minus 1, x is equal to y minus 1. If x is equal to x plus 1, then y minus 1 is equal to, in place of x, y minus 1 you have to write y minus 1 plus 1. Then plus 1 minus 1 it is going to be cancelled, and y it is going to come. Finally what we were writing, y minus 1 is x, then f of x is equal to, finally y has come. Okay, if it comes like this, then we were telling this is on2. Earlier on2 we were telling. For on2 I think we have done this for concepts. See, 1 1 on2 is both are there. 1 1 what we were doing, 1 1 like this we were doing. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. This we were doing for 1 1. This we were doing for on2. Okay, 1 1 on2 we were doing. But let us see our invertible function. Invertible function both should be there, like 1 1 on2 both should be there, like we were doing. Now we will compare this with the new procedure. New procedure, when it has come, new procedure came after GOF and FOG. Okay, that you have to keep in your mind. Say I am writing here GOF and FOG, FOG and GOF. After coming of this GOF and FOG, then slight modification is there, but similarities are there. For invertible function, even direct you can write inverse also. Okay, now what I am writing, You see, GOF means if you prove GOF is equal to X, FOG is equal to Y, then this function is invertible. Okay, if you prove GOF is equal to X, FOG is equal to Y, you remember like that, GOF-X foggy, GOF-X foggy, or else you can simply remember that F is always X, G Y we will take, this Y we will take afterwards. I am waiting for that. Okay, okay. Now say, for the say inverse, rather than F inverse, if you take G, okay, F okay function, but F inverse, rather than F inverse, if you take G, but always G may not be F inverse, but for this sake, for invertible function, when they asked us to write inverse, then at the time you take G as F inverse. Okay, if G, then F of X is equal to Y, but what about G? G is equal to G of Y, that is equal to X. You see, F you are giving input X, then Y is coming. Inverse means here X is input, Y is output. Here Y is input, X is output. Y is input means GY you have to write. Output is X, GY is equal to X. This you have to keep in your mind. Okay. F, X you are giving input and Y output it is coming. Okay. These also you have to keep in your mind. Okay. Now, if you prove GOF is equal to X, FOG is equal to Y, this function is invertible. And inverse also directly you can say G is inverse. G means GY is inverse. GY means X is inverse. That's all. Yes, X is inverse only. Why? Because here X input means Y was coming. But Y if you take, automatically X is coming, then X is inverse. That's all. Okay. Now we see how to do this GOF X and FOG Y. Okay. Now GOF X means what you are doing, GOF is equal to GOF of X, that is equal to G of F of X. Like that you write. Okay, then G of, for this function, for example I am explaining to you, F of X means how much? X plus 1. You write X plus 1. Okay. See, G, if we keep X, I will take this one as, now you change this as X is there, na? X means GY only. Then you change again this, G of Y is equal to, G of Y is equal to X we have taken, na? X plus 1. Okay. These both are, you make one box. Okay. Now you see, if you keep Y, X plus 1 will come. If you keep X plus 1, what will come? Here it is going to change. Say, wait a minute. This is not X plus 1. I have made mistake. See, G of Y is equal to X means X is Y minus 1. Here Y minus 1 you have to write. Okay. Now, if you keep Y, Y minus 1 will come. But in place of Y, all you have to write X plus 1. Okay, I am writing X plus 1. In bracket I have kept Y over minus 1. Minus 1. That is equal to, you see, X plus 1 minus 1 means plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled and X will come. That means LHS you have given GOF, RHS it has come X. LHS is GOF, RH is 1, X. Then GOF is equal to X. You keep one box. Okay. It has to come, it has come. Now you come this side. FOG is equal to Y also has to be proved. F of G Y is equal to F of G Y, that is equal to F of G Y. Okay. Okay. F of Gy is what? Gy is Y minus 1. Y minus 1. F of my minus 1. See, in F, if you keep X, X plus 1 will come. If you keep Y minus 1 means Y minus 1 plus 1 will come. That means Y minus 1 plus 1. Okay. That means what is going to come? Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, y is going to come. Finally what came? RHS y has come. F of g is equal to y. Okay. Now whatever they asked for, here you can write for invertible. For invertible. For invertible, GOF is equal to x, FOG is equal to y should come. Now GOF is equal to x, FOG is equal to y has come. Now you can write as GOF is equal to x and FOG is equal to y. Therefore, invertible. See, this function is invertible, like that you can write. I don't have space, that is why I am not written. Therefore, this function is invertible. Okay. Now directly you write inverse. Inverse is equal to g. That's all. Why? Because f is a function, g is inverse. Inverse is equal to g. What is g? G is equal to gy. What is gy? Gy is equal to y minus 1. This is inverse for this function. Okay. Now you compare with our earlier procedure. Earlier we have not applied this for invertible function. Earlier this we have applied for 1 1 and on 2. Okay. 1 1 is this one, on 2 is this one. See, you can find similarity. Here also y minus 1 plus 1 all has come, y minus 1 plus 1 like. Okay. But this is foggy. FOG you have done. But GOF also you have to do. GOF and FOG you have to do. If both are FOG, GOF x comes, FOG y comes, then this is invertible. Then G automatically is going to become inverse. This is the procedure. You note down this one, then we go for 6th problem. Okay, see the 6th question what they have written. Show that function f minus 1 to 1 closed bracket, that means minus 1 to 1 real numbers to real number. Okay. Given by f of x is equal to x by x plus 2 is 1 1. Okay. See here we should not give minus 2. But already he has given minus 1 to 1 means minus 2 anyway it won't come. Why? Because minus 2 is smaller. Minus 1 to 1 in between numbers only you have to give. Minus 2 you are not giving. Minus 2 if you give it is going to become undefined. But anyway he has restricted minus 1 to 1, that is why we need not write minus 2 not equal to minus 2 like. Okay. Okay. Now 1 1. This function first we have to prove that 1 1. Okay. Okay. Next find the inverse of f. You see here he has not asked whether it is invertible or not like. Okay. Directly whether it is invertible or not we don't write, but FOG x, GOF x, FOG y we will do, and G we will write as inverse like that. First let us see 1 1 function, how we are going to show 1 1 function. 1 1 function how we are going to show. Okay, same standard procedure only. See, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. If this comes, then this function is 1 1. Okay. Now I am writing f of x1 again. F of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies. See, implies equal to implies like that you have to write. Okay. Now x by x1, x plus 2 means what it will come in x1 side? x1 by x1 plus 2 is equal to x2 by x2 plus 2. Okay. Okay. Again you write implies. Implies cross multiplication. x1 into x2 plus 2, x2 into x1 plus 2. x1 into x2 plus 2 is equal to x2 into x1 plus 2. Again implies. Equal to implies like that you have to write. Okay. x1 x2 plus 2x1. x1 x2 plus 2x1 is equal to x1 x2 plus 2x2. x1 x2 plus 2x2. Again you write implies. Okay. Okay, now you see, I am not going to cross y because you may get confused. x1, x2, x1, x2 are going to get cancelled. Then 2x1 is equal to 2x2. 2x1 is equal to 2x2. Again implies. Okay. Now 2 going to get cancelled and x1 is equal to x2 will come. Okay. Therefore, now after doing this, therefore this is 1 1, like that you write. Therefore this is 1 1. See, or you also can write again this you write LHS is equal to RHS, therefore this is 1 1. Yes, you write like that. LHS is equal to RHS, therefore this is 1 1. Now this part of this your problem is over. Now original problem you come. Inverse you have to find. Inverse if you have to find means function you have to write. You have to find G. Okay. Now this is f of x means y. You have to find x. X is G. G is gy. That you have to find. Then GOF, FOG. You have to see x, y comes means automatically G will be the inverse. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Let us see how I am writing. Let us write f of x is equal to x by x plus 2, comma, y is equal to x by x plus 2, comma, f of x means y. Okay, now what I do, I will do cross multiplication. Y into x plus 2 is equal to x. Okay, then xy plus 2y. xy plus 2y is equal to x. xy plus 2y is equal to xy, because see 2y you keep and xy you send that side. 2y is equal to x minus xy. Okay, comma, you write comma rather than this thing. Okay, now x common you take. X common if you take 1 minus y is equal to 2y. See, now this side, the side I have make equal to is there means both sides are equal. X if you take common, x 1 minus xy, x minus y, x minus y. Okay, now what I do, I want x is equal to 2y by 1 minus y. Okay, now wait here. See, what is this x? F of x means y. F of x means y. X means g of y. Okay, like that we will take. See, presently you take g of y is equal to 2y by 1 by. Whether if this is invertible, then like directly we write that inverse is equal to gy. If that is not invertible, then you don't write. There is no inverse like we can write. Why? Because until now you can take g, there is no harm. Okay, g of y is equal to 2y minus 1 minus y. 2y by 1 minus y. Okay. Now what you are going to do? You are going to do box of these both. F of x, one box, g of y, one box you keep. Okay. Now you write FOG, GOF. GOF. Again, see, for invertible I am not writing. Why? Because directly I am finding inverse. Why? Because invertible, like we came to know, he asked us to write inverse. Then it is invertible. But we are seeing whether if this is invertible means gy is inverse, like that. Okay, GOF is equal to x you have to prove, FOG is equal to y you have to prove. If both are there, then invertible, then g, this is going to become inverse. Okay, let us see. GOF is equal to x means, comma, GOF of x is equal to g of f of x. Okay, g of f of x means x by x plus 2, x by x plus 2. Okay, see, if you give y in g, 2y by 1 minus y will come. If you give x by x plus 1 means here x by x plus 1 you have to write 2 into x by x plus 2 divided by 2y, 1 minus y. Y means this one, x by x plus 2. Okay. Okay. Now here you see 2x by x plus 2 by, see cross multiplication, x plus 2 minus x by x plus 2, that is equal to, you see, x plus 2 going to get cancelled, 2x by, see here also plus 2 plus x minus x going to get cancelled, 2x by 2, 2x by 2, is it correct or not? You see, first x plus 2 cancel, then plus x minus x you cancel, 2x by 2 will come, 2x by 2 means what will come? X will come, 2 get cancelled, that means GOF has come x, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now we will see FOG also. If y comes, automatically we write inverse is equal to this one. Okay. Okay, right. FOG. FOG is equal to f of g y, that is equal to f of g of y. Okay, that is equal to, okay, f of g of y means this one you have to write 2y by 1 minus y. Okay. See, in f, if you keep x, this will come. If you keep this means this you will take as x. Okay. X by means this one 2y by 1 minus y divided by x plus 2. That means 2y by 1 minus y plus 2. Okay. 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 2y by 1 minus y, like that only you write. 2y divided by 1 minus y by, see, 2y cross multiplication, plus 2 minus 2y plus 2 minus 2y. Okay, 2 into 1 plus 2, 2 into minus y minus 2y divided by 1 minus y, that is equal to, see, 1 minus y going to get cancelled, 2y by, here also you see, plus 2y minus 2y get cancelled, 2. 2y by 2, that is equal to y. Here also what has come? FOG is equal to y has come. Okay. See, GOF is equal to x, FOG if y comes, automatically G will be the inverse. Okay. Therefore, inverse is equal to G, that is equal to G of y, that is equal to 2y by 2y by 1 minus y. This is answer for your sixth question. Okay, you have seen na, see, slight modification is there, that's all, not a big modification, slight modification. Here one extra has come, FOG is equal to y we were proving, but we were not writing FOG is equal to y, like directly we were writing onto, and this we were doing earlier. Now if GOF is equal to x you have to show, FOG is equal to y you have to show, finally G, if both are okay, then G is inverse like we are writing. That's all. We go for seventh problem. See the seventh problem. Consider f r to r, real number to real number function. Function is f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. Show that f is invertible. That means GOF is equal to x, FOG is equal to y, you have to show. Okay. If you show, then this is invertible. Then find inverse. What is inverse? G is inverse. Okay. Before that, you find y and fx and gy. Fx is already given. Gy also you have to find. Gy if you find, you keep that side and we will see FOG, GOF both. If both have come, GOF has come x, FOG has come y, then this is G is inverse, like we will write. Let us do that problem. Okay. Now I am writing like this. F of x is equal to 4x plus 3, comma, y is equal to 4x plus 3, comma, 4x is equal to y minus 3, comma, see, 3 this side I have sent. X is equal to y minus 3 by 4, comma, now I am writing this as G, Gy. G of y is equal to y minus 3 by 4. Okay, I am keeping this is in one box, this in one box. Okay, G of y is equal to y minus 3 by 4. See, if this is invertible, inverse is this one. Okay, Whether invertible or not, we will see. He asked first to write invertible, but before invertible, we have given two this thing. Why? Because FOG, GOF we want to find means these two are required. Okay, let us see. What we have to do now? We have to do for invertible. For invertible, okay, GOF should equal to X, FOG should equal to Y. That we know. Okay, now we take one by one. One by one. Say GOF is equal to GOF of X is equal to G of F of X is equal to G of here only we can write G of F of X means 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3 is equal to, see, G of 4x plus 3. See, in G, if you give any input, that input minus 3 by 4 will come. That means this is input here. Why? That means 4x plus 3 you have to keep as a y minus 3 by 4. Okay? Now you see, if you open the bracket, plus 3 minus 3 going to get cancelled. That means 4x by 4. That is equal to 4 get cancelled and x will come. X. Okay. That means you write again GOF is equal to x has come. Okay, this side. This side also we will see whether it is going to. Again you write FOG is equal to F of G Y is equal to F of G of Y. That is equal to F of G of Y means y minus 3 by 4. Y minus 3 by 4. That is equal to. See, in F, if you give any input, 4 times of that input plus 3 will come. That means 4 times of input here y minus 3 by 4 plus 3. Okay? Okay. Now this 4 get cancelled. Y minus 3 plus 3. That is equal to y. That means FOG is equal to y also has come. LHS is equal to RHS like. Okay? Okay. Now what you write here? See, whatever required has come. GOF is equal to x has come. FOG is equal to y has come. Okay. You write like this. What I am writing, you see. As above, GOF is equal to x and FOG is equal to y, comma, this function is invertible. This function is invertible. Okay, this function is invertible. Inverse is equal to G. That is equal to G of y. That is equal to y minus 3 by 4. This is answer for your 7th question. Okay. See, if this function is invertible, automatically G will be, see, F is a function, G is inverse. F is a function, G is inverse. Like that you have to keep in your mind. G, before doing this only you have to take it out. Otherwise, FOG, GOF you are not able to do. FOG also you cannot do, GOF also you cannot do. Why? Because for both, GY is required. Okay. Let us go for 8th question. Okay, see the 8th question. Consider F R plus 2 for infinity. That means, see, this is domain, this is codomain. What is this? He has given R plus is a non-negative real numbers set. Okay, that means 0 also will come. Only negative numbers will not come. Non-negative, that's all. 0 to infinity, you can take. You have to take. Function means you have to take. Here, not you can take. But that codomain belongs to 4 to infinity. 4 will come, yes, 4 also will come. Closed bracket is there. Up to infinity will come. Given by fx is equal to x square plus 4. X square plus 4 is the function. Okay, normally show that f is invertible. If you see, earlier also we have done, when x square and all comes means it will not be 1 1 or onto. Those functions are not going to give inverse. Why? Because when function is not 1 1 or onto, it is not going to give inverse. This is basic funda we have learned from basics, initial classes, initial videos. But now if you observe here, r plus means, see, domain, input, what he is giving? He is giving only positive number. Okay, earlier why it was not 1 1 or onto? Why? Because minus also going to give plus, plus also going to give plus. That is why this is not 1 1, this is not onto. Many one is coming, that is why not onto. Even here all minus are going to left, that is why this is not onto like we were telling, and this is not bijective like we were telling. When it is not bijective, that is not invertible. But if you observe here logic, here input what we are giving? Input we are giving only positive numbers with 0. 0 or positive real numbers only we are giving. Okay, that is why this is 1 1 only. Why? Because you are not at all giving minus numbers, then positive you are giving, positive is coming. 0 you are coming, 0 is coming. That means 1 1 only. Okay, 1 1 over. What about onto? This side onto is there. That is also there. Why? Because earlier if r is there means minus are going to be vacant. In codomain, codomain and range will be vary. But here you see, here entire r is not giving, from 4 to infinity is giving. That you have to keep in mind. That means minus numbers are not there. Even 3, 2, 1, 0 also not there. This side. Okay, all 4 to infinity is there. That is why this may be onto also. Maybe onto also. We have not yet tried, maybe onto also. But rather than trying these all numbers, we know standard procedure. Do GOF is equal to X, FOG is equal to Y, both are comes means invertible, inverse is G, that's all. Yes. Why? Because we have learned new procedure means you apply the new procedure, that's all. Okay, let us do. Before doing you have to find G also, no? Like that we have to do. Okay, now you understand the function why it is invertible. That you have to keep in your mind. Normal x square and all comes mean this will not be 1 1 and onto, then those are not invertible. But here special case is there. R plus they have given. R plus is non-negative real number. Okay. Let us write f g also. F of x is equal to x square plus 4 comma y is equal to x square plus 4 comma x square is equal to y minus 4. Y minus 4. Okay, comma x is equal to y minus 4 square root of. Okay, you write in bracket because r plus is domain. Why? Because see, if you don't write this here, you have to write plus or minus. X square is this one, x is plus or minus you have to write, but I have not written. Not written means only plus is there. Why only plus is there? Because of this one, r plus is the domain. R plus means you are giving only positive numbers. Now again you write x is what? G of y is equal to y minus 4 under root. Now you make box of these two. Okay. If this function is invertible, what is inverse? Inverse is y minus 4 under root. Same thing he is giving, you see. But we have to see whether this is invertible or not with GOF FOG. Okay. Again you write that thing. What you are writing? For invertible. Okay. GOF should equal to x. FOG should equal to y. Okay. One by one I am doing here. You see. GOF is equal to GOF of x is equal to G of f of x. Okay. RHS not yet come. I have taken only LHS. F of x you have to keep. G of f of x is how much? X square plus 4. Okay. That is equal to. Okay. See, G is some input. If you give this square root, that input minus 4 will come. Okay, I am writing like this. See, square root input is how much? X square plus 4. This input you keep in bracket minus 4. Okay. Now if you open the bracket, minus 4 plus 4 are going to get cancelled. This square and square root are going to get cancelled. That means finally what you have received, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now come this side. FOG is equal to F of Gx is equal to F of G of X is equal to F of Gx is how much? Sorry, Gy. You write Gy. See, for F, X, Gy. Okay? Gy. What is Gy? Square root of 1 minus 4. Y minus 4. Square root of. This is Gy. Okay. See, if you give, this is F now. Okay? F of X like X. If you give X, X square plus 4 will come. That means this is square plus 4. Y minus 4 under root whole square, okay, plus 4 that is equal to, see, square root and square get cancelled, y minus 4 plus 4. Okay, now if you open bracket, minus 4 plus 4 going to get cancelled, y, that means FOG also y has come. Okay, now you write, show that this is invertible like he is telling na. Yes, as above GOF is equal to X and FOG is equal to Y, therefore this is invertible, or this function is invertible like you write. Okay, now okay, this is invertible. What about inverse? Inverse also he asked us to write F given by F with inverse. Inverse also is told. Okay, what is inverse? Inverse is equal to G, that is equal to G of Y, that is equal to what has come? Y minus 4 under root. Same thing he asked, y minus 4. Okay, again he has written F inverse, but you need not write F inverse. You write only inverse and this one. This is sufficient. Okay. In this way you have to do the question. Let us go for 9th question also. See the 9th question. Some peculiar question this is, you have to tackle carefully or else you are not going to get the answer. Why? Because you cannot bring G unless you do some quadratic modification. Consider F r plus 2 5 to infinity. Here also like earlier problem only, he has not written again r plus is non-negative real number like, but you have to take r plus is non-negative real number. R plus is not positive real number. See, there is a difference between positive real number and non-negative real number. What is? Yes, positive real number means from all positive numbers will come. But non-negative real number means even 0 also will come. That means here 0 also you can give as input, domain. Domain is non-negative real number. But output also you should observe 5 to infinity is there. That means this is 1 only and onto only. Why? Because like earlier we have discussed, negative numbers you are not giving. That side also negative numbers are not there, codomain. Okay, this is codomain. 5 to infinity are there. That means this may be 1 and onto. That means may be invertible. We have to show invertible. We show with standard procedure. FOG, GOF is equal to X, FOG is equal to Y. Then we write G as invertible. But finding G, here 9x square plus 6x plus 5 is there, quadratic equation. How you are going to find? Only one x is there means simply you can write. But here x square plus 6x minus 5 is there, quadratic equation. How you have to write that? That I am doing here calculation. Afterwards directly I will write here. Okay, you see how I am writing. First let me write fx. Okay, say f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. This is y. 9x square plus 6x minus 5. See, 9x square plus 6x minus 5, I am keeping in one box. Okay. Gy also we want. Gy, how you are going to get? Keeping x one side, all you have to send that side. But how you are going to do this one? Here only x square is not there. X square plus 6, it has split form, quadratic form it is there. Like this comes means equation. What you have to do and all I am writing here, you see. See, this will be in 9x square plus 6x means a plus b whole square form it is there. Okay, a square plus 2ab. A square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square form is there. A square is equal to 9x square. A is equal to 3x. Is it correct? See, square root if you make x square will come x, 9 will come 3. Okay, 1 has come. 6x means 2ab. 2ab is equal to how much? 6x. ab is equal to 3x. Okay, this 2 is going to divide ab, but a you know, a 3x. That means 3x b is equal to 3x into 1. 3x get cancelled, b is equal to 1 will come. Okay, see, and a plus b whole square, if you want to write like this, say a plus b means 3x plus b 1 whole square. What will come? 9x square will come, okay. 6x will come, okay. Plus 1 will come, you see. 9x square plus 6x, 2ab, 2 into 3, 6 into 1, 6x. B square, 1 square, 1 only will come. But what is there here? Minus 5 is there. Then what you have to write? You have to write like this. 9x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 6. Plus 1 is already there. If you write minus 6, automatically minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 will come. Okay. But finally how to write this one? You have to write like this. 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. Why? Because 3x plus 1 whole square, until this it will come. Minus 6 you are adding. Okay. Like this you have to write. This also you keep in rough work. Directly you can write here. What you are writing here? Y is equal to 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. Okay. If you write this, then only you are going to get gy. Okay. Now 3x plus 1 whole square is equal to y plus 6. Is it correct? 3x plus 1 whole square you have kept this side and 6 you have sent this side. Okay. Now you write here again. 3x plus 1 is equal to y plus 6 under root. Y again we need not write, r plus only we are giving, that is why plus or minus won't come. Here all plus only. You take plus only, okay? 3x plus 1. Now you write again 3x is equal to this one, this go this side. Y plus 6. This you keep, see minus is 1, minus 1 is coming, that is why you keep in bracket minus 1. Now you write x 3 divided by y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Sorry, this y plus 6 is under root. Okay, divided by 3. This is equal to g of y. Why? Because we don't have space. Like this we will make one box. Okay, now you compare with what he is asking, f inverse y. Y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 square root. Okay, same thing. That means if we show GOF is equal to x, FOG is equal to y, automatically y, GY will be the inverse. Okay. Now I am going to rub this also. Why? Because this is a basic only. You have to transform like that. Okay. Now again you write for invertible. For invertible, GOF is equal to x and FOG is equal to y should come. Okay. Now one by one we take. Why? Because gy is there, fx is there, both are there. Okay. First one, GOF is equal to GOF of x is equal to G of f of x is equal to G of f of x means now you write this one. Why na? F of x is equal to y is equal to this one, you have to write 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. This entire thing you have to write, yes, or else you are not going to get, is equal to, see, now this entire thing is going to become y, g of y. Okay, now g of y if you give y plus 6 root minus 1 by 3 will come, but this gives me, this is going to become y. In y place you have to write entire this thing. Okay, right, in y place 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. Okay, this is y plus 6. Why? Because this plus 6 is already available, and you keep bracket, sorry, square root, then bracket minus 1 divided by 3. This you have to write, or else here if you do mistake then you are not going to get answer. Okay, see, under square root only plus 6 minus 6 are going to get cancelled. Okay, now you write 3x plus 1 whole square under root, outside minus 1 is there, bottom 3 is there. Okay, now see, square root and root, square and root are going to get cancelled. That means 3x plus 1 minus 1 by 3. Plus 1 minus 1 going to get cancelled. 3x by 3. 3 going to get cancelled. X. Then what you have received? GOF is equal to x you have received. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, one result has come to you. Go for second one, FOG also. Okay, if FOG also y comes, automatically inverse is y plus 6. This you have to write. Say FOG is equal to f of g y, that is equal to f of g of y, that is equal to f of g of y is how much? G of y is this one. Entire thing you have to write y plus 6 under root minus 1 by 3. Okay, yeah, that entire thing you have to write. Okay, now see, in f if you do something, this is going to become 3 into x plus 1 whole square. Okay, here in x position you have to write all this thing. Okay, you write like this, 3 into, in x position, y plus 6 under root minus 1 by 3 plus 1 whole square minus 6. See, this is entire thing is y plus 6, sorry, plus 1 whole square minus 6. Okay, now come here. Before doing square itself, here inside you see 3 are going to get cancelled. Why? Because this square root is for y plus 6 only. 3 are going to get cancelled. You write like this, y plus 6 under root, okay, minus 1 plus 1 whole square minus 6. Is it okay? Yes, correct. Why? Because see, 3 going to get cancelled. This root is for up to y plus 6 only. Minus 1 is not there. Then minus 1 plus 1 also going to get cancelled. Under square root only. Y plus 6 under square. Square minus 6. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Square I have not yet done. Inside only we have done. Now, see, now square root and square going to get cancelled. Y plus 6 will come, minus 6, that is equal to y. Now again you can write like this, FOG is equal to y. FOG is LHS, y is RHS. Okay, now you write what they are asking, show that invertible is asked now. Okay, by above as GOF is equal to x and FOG is equal to y. This is invertible function. You write function, I have written only invertible. Okay. Then you write inverse is equal to g. That is equal to, directly you write this one. Y plus 6 under root minus 1 divided by 3. Okay. When both are comes means g is inverse. G means gy. F means fx. Okay. This is answer for your 9th question. What we do, we will stop here. In the next video from 10th question onwards, we will finish. Thank you very much.